Did your Jet2 flight get delayed, cancelled, or did you miss a connection? Don't worry, you could be eligible for compensation. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to claim compensation using Compensaire, a trusted platform used by travelers worldwide. This service takes care of the entire claim process, so you don't have to deal with Jet2 directly. Let's begin. First, visit Compensaire using the secure link provided in this guide to avoid any risks of phishing. Once on the site, enter your Jet2 flight details, including departure and arrival airports, flight number, and date of travel. These details can be found in your booking confirmation or boarding pass. After entering your flight information, provide your personal details, such as your name and email address. Rest assured that Compensaire securely handles your data throughout the process. Once all details are entered, review everything for accuracy and click Submit. From there, Compensaire will take over, managing the claim with Jet2 and working to secure your compensation. All you need to do is wait for updates. When your claim is approved, you will receive an email notification, and your compensation will be sent directly to your preferred payment method. It's that easy. With Compensaire, the process of claiming compensation for delayed, cancelled, or missed Jet2 flights is straightforward and stress-free. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.